Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download LocalSend on a Mac. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then we're just going to find localsend.org. All right, again, localsend.org, and then just hit on enter. Once you're in here, just go ahead over to downloads, click on it, and then just find Mac OS. All right, so click on it. So there are two ways to download this one. You go ahead and open up your command line or terminal. Just copy and paste it on your command line. If not, you can go ahead and download the DMG file. Click on download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and click on it and it will open up this window. So what you'll do is just go ahead and drag and drop LocalSend to your applications folder. Again, drag and drop. And after the transfer is complete, make sure that you're under the application section. And then just go ahead over to LocalSend, click on it, and then just click on open. And then once that's done, LocalSend should now pop up. And that is how you download LocalSend on a Mac. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.